Welcome back to my channel, Unique Artwork. I'm Taylor. I know you can't see me, but it's okay. We have a ton to demold. This is part 2 of this. So if you want to see how I did this, go back to part 1. And then this is all the leftover stuff. These are additions. So we're gonna start with the big one. I'm excited about this one. I can't really see it in the camera. I don't know. Yeah, you see it? That looks so cool. Nice and shiny, sparkly. Okay. And then for the leftovers, I made these molds, so I'm gonna save those for last. They're not gonna be shiny. They're gonna need a top coat to see anything. This mold is from Amazon. I'm not entirely sure where this is from. Just stick with me. This is a hard one. Ugh. Oh, it looks so cool. That looks really cool right there. That looks like a Labradorite. Yep. Yep. Okay. And then for the other leftover, this is from Resin. It's hard to get off the sides. Oh. There we go. Ow. Pretty cool. Okay. And we'll do this one. So, like I said, this one needs a top coat to be shiny, to really see everything. Pretty cool. Okay. I put crystals in. It's black tourmaline and red jasper and tiger's eye. This one is also going to need a top coat to be shiny. It's a little heart-shaped Ouija piece. And then this one is tiger's eye and black tourmaline and lapis lazuli, or yeah, I think it's lapis. Okay. Alright, so yeah, they turned out pretty cool. I'm going to turn this into a wall hanging. I think I might put them off on here. moth like there, maybe. I was planned on putting these pieces on here. Maybe like this. Like this. Maybe just this. That. It's kind of cute. A little crooked, that'd be a little better wall hanging. What about this one though? We'll just do this, right? Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, really quick. I'm gonna make some holes. One. And two. And let's try to avoid that crystal. Okay. And a little one. Okay. I like to put my little hooks on first before I do top coat so that they stay in forever. Yay! I do have a tool. I'll just get it started first. I'm turning it the wrong way. Ha! I was turning it the wrong way. I want to be extra careful. One broke off into my last one. We're just here for this. Alright, we're just doing a top coat really quick. And I also want to put my moth on there. I was going to glue it on there, but I decided I'm just going to put resin on it and put the resin on there. Yeah. A nice even. I have thumbtacks hot glued to this pan so the resin, so it doesn't stick. Yeah. Spread it out. definitely needs more. At least over here. Yeah. So this pretty much does all the work itself. It levels itself. You don't have to worry about like stuff on the top, you know. Tomorrow when it dries, before it gets too hard, I'll show you what I didn't tape it or anything. Yeah. Alright, get the bubbles. Alright, this side's again. And come on, focus. Okay. There we go. Nice little crystal Ouija piece. Ooh. I get excited about silly things. The silliest things. The silliest. Okay, so I'm gonna put my moth right on to the moon. Yeah. And do a little drizzle. Actually, you know what? I probably should have redoing. I'm gonna coat it first. Alright, there we go. Now I'm gonna put it back. Alright. Just gonna put a little more on top. And I'm gonna blow it off again with on high. Must look like I'm wasting a ton of resin, but I'm not, because I have to make sure it's all coated, you know? One even coating. So tomorrow I'll come back. I'll put the chain on there. Yeah, if you guys liked how I made this, make sure you go see part 1. It's pretty cool. Pretty cool process, I mean. Yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed. Pretty cool. Looks kind of uneven. Alright, yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed. Give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe. Oh yeah, I'll be back tomorrow. Bye. Hi guys, I'm back several days later. I completely forgot about this downstairs, so I didn't get a chance to do the underside while it was still hard, and my Dremel is a bit preoccupied. So we're gonna have to call it a finished piece. I mean, I still like it. I still love it. It's nice. I put a hey, I put a chain on it, hang it, and I did the top coat. I got these from Amazon, the jump rings and the chain from Amazon. I guess I'll show you guys my little trick. I hot glued things to it so that I can just set my thing on there and it won't get any resin on the bottom. Okay, well, I'm definitely going to do another one like this. I really liked doing this technique, I guess you would say. I think the only thing that I would do different with the moth, just so you can see it, before I put it on the moon, I think I would do a layer and then paint like the little details black, and then put it on here and do a top coat. I mean, it's nice. I still like it. That color is really cool. It definitely turned out how I wanted it to. I think I should have used a little more black this time. I was a little afraid last time I used too much black. I think I have my piece over here I could show you. See? I mean, it's not too much black, but it's more black. It's just testing it out. Look, it cured crooked. Because I put it on my tray. Well, anyways, see you guys next time. Make sure you hit subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Also, here's an extra piece, because it's super cool. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram. There will be a video of this. Bye.